Good morning, children. How are you all today? My name is Sunanda Barwa. I am from Sri Chaitanya Ashram, Suchitra branch. Today we will be learning about nouns. Yes, what is a noun? You all know what is a noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, emotion or an idea. For example, Geeta likes to go to gym. Sam likes to eat ice cream. So in these two sentences, what are the nouns? Geeta. Geeta is the name of a person, so it is a noun. And gym is a place where we do exercise, so it is a noun. And the next example, Sam likes to eat ice cream. In that, Sam is again name of a person, so it is a noun. And ice cream is a thing which we eat. So both Sam and ice cream, Geeta and gym, these are nouns. So in that nouns, what are the types? Can you see here in this picture? There is a types of nouns. Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. So these are the types of nouns. So what is a common noun, children? A common noun is a name of given in common or in general thing. For example, chair, pen, pencil, girl, book, etc. City, state, it can be anything. It's a commonly called common name. So that is a common noun. So what is a proper noun, children? Proper noun is the name given to a particular person or a thing. For example, if I say chair, it can be any chair. If I say pen, it can be any pen. But if I say for example, if I say it's a Reynolds pen, it's a Parker pen. So in that thing, I am giving you a particular name of a pen. So it is a proper noun. For example, see here, and also make sure that proper noun always begins with a capital letter. See the examples. See the examples in this table. I formed a table. Can you see this? Common noun and a proper noun. For example, city. It can be any city. So I have given example of Hyderabad. It can be Hyderabad, Delhi, Bangalore, Mumbai, Calcutta. It can be any place. Girl. It can be any girl. I gave Hasini. It can be Uma. It can be Rama. It can be any other girl in the class. Country. Country can be any country. India and USA, Australia. It can be anything. Day can be any day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It can be any day. Month, it can be any month from January to December. Jan, February, March, April, May. It can be any month. Pencil. Just now I told you pencil. It can be any pencil. If I say only pencil, it is a common noun. But if I say it's an Atraj pencil or if I say it's a Dom's pencil, then it is a proper noun. So I hope you understood what the difference between common noun and proper noun, children. Yes. Now coming to a collective noun. What is a collective noun? Collective noun is nothing but a group of person or things taken together as a one entity. For example, crowd, team, etc. So what is that? Here I have given you an example. For example, a group of players. We have seen playing cricket team, football team, volleyball team, anything. So what are those called? Group of players are called as a team. Collective noun given name as team. Group of employees. Employees, you all know, those who are working in office, school, anywhere. Those employees, group of employees, called togetherly they are known as staff members. Students togetherly they are called as a class. A classroom of students. Criminals you might have seen, robbers, people who are doing all sort of crime. So these people togetherly they are known as gang, or they can also be called as a mob. Soldiers, group of soldiers, they are called as an army. Group of keys, they are called as a bunch. A bunch of keys, you can say. It can be bunch of grapes, it can be bunch of keys. Yes. Next, coming to abstract nouns. What is an abstract noun? Here we have to learn two types of nouns. One is concrete noun and one is abstract noun. Concrete noun means what? Which we can be seen with our naked eyes, which we can touch, which has a physical existence. And what is an abstract noun? Abstract noun is completely opposite to that. It is a hidden feeling or idea which doesn't have any physical existence, which we cannot touch or which cannot be seen through our naked eyes. For example, if I say honesty is the best policy, can we see honesty? Can we touch? No. It is just a feeling. Policy is also same thing. Honesty is the best policy. In this sentence, honesty and policy, these two are nouns, but they are abstract nouns. Next one, love. Love is a powerful emotion. Here love is also a noun, emotion is also a noun, which cannot be seen, which cannot be touched, or which doesn't have any physical existence. So it is an abstract noun. Same way, friendship, silence, hatred, ignorance, etc. There are many more examples of abstract nouns. Now coming to the last one, material noun. What is a material noun, children? Material noun is nothing but a matter or substance of which things are made. For example, a gold chain, a wooden table, diamond ring, leather purse. That is calcium. I gave you material. Our bones are made up of calcium in our body. And what is a wood? We have table, chair, everything. It is made up of wood. Wood is a material. Same way we have chains, gold chains like gold chain, gold bangle, gold earring. These are all made with material gold. Curd. My mother makes a lassi using curd. So curd is also material. Here leather. Leather is also thing which is used in making purses and bags. I hope you understood, children, what are the kinds of nouns and all. In our coming classes, we will be learning about countable and uncountable nouns. So what is a noun and how many types of nouns, children? There are 5 types. What are they? Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Thank you, children.